Welcome back to the N4 Niagara Trillium Learning channel. I had a question asked on video 33 when we were doing graphics about how to build 3D floor plan in Niagara, and I basically mentioned about using this software from sweethome3d.com. This is a software that I use. I have a Mac version. Cost me £11.99, but I use my Mac to do my 3D graphics, but we're going to do this on the PC for this video. So let's start doing that. I've nothing to do with this company, so I'm not promoting it in any way. It's just what I use. So I've downloaded this Sweet Home 3D, and we're going to use this to do our graphics. So I've also downloaded a 2D floor plan, and what I'm going to do with this now is, when I can remember how to use it, import background image, that's the one, and choose image and Office 3D floor plan. Continue. Now it wants me to do a doorway, whatever, to basically calibrate it. So I'm going to take that and put that there and put that there, and we need to put in centimeters. I want to go a bit further across, maybe too much. A door plan, a door size in centimeters. So the standard door size here in the UK, according to this, is 826 millimeters, so 82.6 centimeters. So that's what we're going to use, 82.6 centimeters. So 82.6 centimeters. Continue. Define the original image. I'm just going to leave those as 0. Finish. So that's my image there. I'm going to draw now by my floor plan from that. Let's see what I need to use here. I think I can just do walls, so I want to just do walls. Create walls. Here we go. Control key plus shift plus W. Let's do that there. And we've got a little pop-up here, create walls tip. When the plan has focus, you may switch to keyboard entry at any time. To create a round wall, press Control key, Control and key, or Alt key under the OS. So let's come out of that. These are not going to be any round walls, so let's just go from there. So I'm clicking my mouse button, dragging it across, unclicked it, clicking it again, dragging it across, unclicked it, click it again. This is my left mouse button, drag it across, unclick it, click again, left mouse button, drag it across, unclick it. So I'm going to press escape now. So that's one set of walls. So let's click that on my mouse button, left mouse button, unclick it, press escape. Hasn't done, so let's do that again. Click it again, press escape. So we're going down with this one, so click that, unclick it, click again, unclick it. I've clicked again and I'm pressing escape. And then we've got a wall here. Click, click again, escape. So now let's put some doors in there. So door. So we'll just take, well, we've got quite a few doors, but that's an open door. We don't want an open door, we don't want that, we want that, and that's a window. Let's just do a door because we can do our sizes to what we want. So click that door there, and I'm just going up with my, I've still got my left mouse button clicked, I've just gone up slightly with my mouse, so that's one door. I think there was a single door here for the welcome bit. Let's just check that. Yeah, there's a single door there. Apparently that opens outwards. Oh no, it's two doors. There's two doors there, I think. But we're just, well, I don't know what we'll do yet. But it's two doors there. Let's leave that one for the moment. Double. I want another door, but I want a double door now. Double French window, double door frame. Let's just use that one. Yeah, let's use that one for the moment. Like I said, you can set it to whatever you want it to be yourself. And we'll put that one in there. Double door. And I think you can actually click on these. Yeah, and you can set what you want size wise. But I'm just going to leave it as default because all we're doing here is just showing you how to do a 3D. So let's just put a double door there as well. And we'll have it going inwards because we can. Have I done over doors? Yes, 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 yes. Looking at the plan, yes, 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 yes. Okay, so now let's bring that up out of the way. And I should be able to use this to move stuff in and out. So I can in there, and we can scroll it around. I'm just wondering what's going to be nice for the graph, because I want to see a floor, so I can actually draw floor plans, a heat map, basically. Let's just take that up a little bit more. No, there. Come out of it. That would do. Now I don't want all this grey around here. I want a nice white background so that I can work on that. So let's just see what we do here. 3D plan. There'll be something here. Modify background image. No, we don't want to do that one. We can hide the background image, but that's up at the top. We don't need that anymore. There will be something to change. Modify 3D view. Here we go. Change that ground color to a white. That's better. So all I'm going to do, you can save this out. You can export it, print to PDF, save as, save. But all I'm going to do is go to my snipping, and I'm going to snip that, and then I can play with it later. And then I just go File, Save As, and 3D plan. Save. So that's it. I've done the 3D plan. So well, let's put that into our station now. So we don't need that anymore. Don't save. I don't want to save that. We'll go into our 4.11. We'll load that up. And then we've put that plan into our station when it loads. So let's go to our station. Let's open up our station. And I'm going to put it in images here. So let's go to File System, Drive C, Users, Office, Downloads. Where did I save that? It's certainly not that one. Where did it save it? Unless it's got its own directory to save it. Where did I save that? I saved it in pictures. And now my computer's just decided to go faulty. Thinking about something. So I've just put it, I saved it in pictures, I've just took it from pictures and put it into the downloads. I'm going to copy that, paste it into my images. That's my 3D floor plan on the station. So I'm going to make a new PX file. Files, new PX file. Call it 3D floor heat map. Let's go into that 3D floor heat map. It'll probably be better putting that into the PX folder. Let's put that in the PX folder. Delete that one out. Edit. New picture. So I can resize it for what I want. Image. Let's find this image. Let's make it bigger. That will do for me. So that's your 3D image in your Niagara system. So let's put a heat map in this. Now you probably don't know how to do heat maps, but that's what this video's for. So I've clicked up there onto this one there, add polygon. I'm going to click there, click there, click there. That's wrong, that one there. Not to worry, I can change it in a minute. Now I've got snap to grid on, hence that's why that's dropping like that. So what we'll do is we'll click there, press escape, and then I'm going to go to my PX editor and take off snap. Yes. And then I can edit that now, and I can move that up to there, move that to there. I'll take that one, no, not the graphic, control key Z, that one there to there. I don't know whether that's good or bad, but and then we need to associate this with something, with a point. I don't want the graphic, I want that, thank you very much. So let's do a value binding. Okay, let's find a value. Component chooser, and we'll just go for Fanco 1 space temp. See what that gives us. And then we need to fill that in. I'm going to animate the fill. Put 3 in there, minus inf, plus inf. So up to 18 degrees we're going to go blue. And what we'll do, no, we'll do a hard blue, but then we'll do a 50%. See how it's a bit, And then 18 to 22 we'll go normal. Again 50%. And then from 22 upwards we'll go red, and we'll go 50%. So I don't know what that temperature is, by the way, at the moment, so let's just bring that temperature across. Config, and we was at Fanco 1, and it was that temperature there, and it was the space temperature, and the value is 24.2. Let's change that. So let's just right click that, emergency override, put it to 16 degrees. No, not 146, 16 degrees. That hasn't changed. Why hasn't that changed? We're looking at that point, are we? Probably not. So I'm just highlighting it. I don't want that, I want that. Yeah. That's the one we want. I brought the wrong point across. So that's 16 degrees. Emergency override. 21 degrees. Emergency override. Well, I've already just done that. 25 degrees. Emergency auto. And then if we wanted to, I suppose we could put temperature on that. Put that back to the reorder just in case it's not at the bottom. Back to bottom. So we've got 24.2 degrees in that room with the heat map. Neater. Makes your graphic look a lot nicer. And then of course you can do your heat maps for these rooms as well. So let me have a play and I'll come back to you. I'll just show you what I'm doing here. So I've just done that polygon or whatever it's called. Let's assign a temperature to it, value binding, because we did it wrong last time, didn't we? Let's get the right temperature this time, so we'll still go with the Fanco 1, but we don't want to be picking them. We want these, the little round ones. Supply temp, we'll put in that one. And then we need to, so that's supply temp, and then we need to do the fill, animate it. So minus infinity, plus infinity, and we had 22 I think there, and we had 18 maybe there, and we had that as a blue with a 50%, and we had that as a green with a 50%, and we had that as a red. Let's do a darker red this time because we can. 50%. Let's bring that point across. So that was the supply temp on that one. And let's just put that point into there. Let's do another one while we're running the video. Clicking, unclick, clicking, the left mouse button, unclick, clicking, the left mouse button, unclick. Oops, I now need to do an escape. Let's do this one. Clicking the left mouse button, unclick, clicking the left mouse button, unclick, clicking the left mouse button, and actually I don't have my snap to grid on. Unclick, which is probably better when you're doing these. I'm going to click on my arrow. Now I've got no more temperatures to take. Should we just make some temperatures? No, I'll tell you what, let's do Fanco 2. Even though they'll probably be the same temperatures. Let me just drag. I've got 2 more to do, so I'm just going to drag them 2 across. Which will look exactly like them, which they will be. Let's just change the temperature. Actions. It's probably got emergency override. We'll put that to 18 degrees. Actions, emergency override. We'll put that to 21 degrees. I'm going to double click that. Control key C. Copy it. I'll just put it on this one. I don't want you. I want you. That's it. Thank you. Add a value. Put that in there. Go back up. My fill. Animate it. Add. Minus inf. Plus inf. 22. 18. Blue. 50%. Opaque, I think the words for that is, could be wrong though. 50%, or use alpha, what they're saying there. I'll put that dark red in there. 50%. And let's repeat myself again. Take the space temp. I don't want you. Yes, I want you. Value binding. Control key V. Go up, right click, animate, 1, 2, 3. Minus infinity. Plus infinity. We had you at 22. We had you at 18. We had your colour as a blue at 50%. We had you at a green at 50%. And we had you at a dark red, maroon at 50%. And we drag you across to there. And we'll drag you across to there. There we go. That looks nice. So from a 2D floor plan, we've got a 3D floor plan, and we've got a heat map in it as well. I think your client would like the graphics on that. You might want to change the doors, you might want to have some doors open, but that looks nice. I'm just wondering whether I should have, with this one here, let's show you this. Let's just do this anyway. I don't want you. I want you. Come on. Let's put that down to there. That's better, isn't it? I think that's better. Yeah. We could actually go crazy. And we could use that heat map here. And we could actually go around there and put that colour exactly in there if they were glass doors. And we could do exactly the same with this one. That would really be weird. And we could do the same with this one. Should we do that? Should we see what that looks like? Let's do the easier one first. Because I'm going to use the transparency as well. Just going to do a little one there. to there, escape. And while I'm in here, I need to find out what figure it was that I was using. I want that one. Why were we using that one? Value binding. Fill. Animate. Now we used that dark one, didn't we, on this one? So let's go. Minus infinity plus infinity 22 18. Why am I whispering? I don't know. That was green. Oh, I want 50%, don't I? I want 50% on you as well. And red, which is the maroon, 50%. Let's make that something like 40%. No, let's go to 20%. Let's have a quick look at that. Yeah, probably. So I've got to do the others at 20% as well. Don't know why I'm whispering. 20%. 20%. Let's have a quick look at that. Okay, so we've got a bit of smoked glass or whatever in there. We could actually, yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. We'll split it a little bit. So let's just take that. I'm going to put that to there. We don't need both them two now, so I can minus one of them, which is good to show you how to do that. So that's minus one of them out. And then let's just go to there. Let's just zoom in a bit. Let's just see where we are with this baby. And let's try and get some of these a little bit better than what they are. So you're going down there and you are going there. So let's now duplicate that and put, really? I'm using my arrow keys just to get it close to it, and then I'll mess around with it. Let's just do that one. Where are we? That there. I want that one there. Come on. I want you down a little bit. I'm going to put you there like that. See what you look like there. Okay, I don't want the black around it. I don't want the black around this one. And I don't want the black around this one. Now then, let's play. Emergency override. Let's put that to 18 degrees. I quite like that. Put it to 21 degrees. Yeah, I do like that. Okay, I think I've played enough now. You get the idea. 3D, so 2D into 3D, and then we've put some heat maps on it as well. We'll keep this in the folder. So I'm just wondering whether I might Dropbox this, you know, so you can download it and put it onto the graphics, put it onto the YouTube channel, so you can click on it and download the bog file. That way you've got the same template that I've been using. Let's just, if I'm going to do that, let's go into user service and let's change this password for admin, because I can't give you my password. So we're using password 123. And just for the hell of it, I'll put it up here. So that's our password for admin on this station now. Let's save that. Yeah, I think I'm going to Dropbox that link, put a Dropbox link in there so that you can actually download that. We did do the email service, and I think what I'm going to do though, if I'm going to Dropbox this out, I need to make sure that you're not using my SMTP to send out emails. It doesn't matter about these, but I don't want you using my SMTP to send out emails. So we'll just leave that as is. I don't know if that's actually going to save like that. Yes, it did. And number sent today was 10. Oh yeah, we're getting emails all through the night. I left the histories one that we did. If you remember, we went into report services. I had that ticked, so I had all these coming to me. So every hour I had a report coming to me. So I removed that. And if I'm going to save that there, let's just take out that, even though you can still put it back in, but you'll be using your own SMTP server then to send it. Yeah, I think I will give you that for you to download. Oh, if you want to save the station, config, you probably already know this anyway, and just go save. But I'm going to go into my platform now, and I'm going to go to station copier, and take that, and I'm going to copy across there, and then I'm going to name it for download, YouTube for download, or something like that. Alright, well, I'll do that. Okay, I'll do it now. YouTube for download. Next, finish. Yeah, so, and I will zip that up as well, so you have to unzip it. And I'll put it on the information on the bottom of this video, and maybe a couple of the others. Alright, thank you for watching. If you like it, can you please subscribe or press the like button? Thank you.